যতন ডিসপ্লিন খাই নাটকে যেবি বরং সিরিয়াল খাই সকল জন্য 다들 지니 시험 속하게 이번 나의 이니니 판단어 리본 나만의 비신 것에 비신과 합의 방법을 선택합니다. Orang benang MLA bisnekatu tai
Kumlung address kumlunga jeng kulung ang kulugeri dikha engke all restaurant tam ni bagai or training academy tam ni bagai. What is my mission and vision on the training academy? My main vision towards this training academy is to promote and those who are working in the restaurant, to promote them. I want them to come to my training academy who are just a startup or who want to start their new restaurant, to train them on how restaurant industry work. And you may ask me, who am I to train you, or who are you? I am Shekhar Devarma, and BSc holder in hotel management from Panjab Technical University. I have been working over 15 years of experience with 5-star hotel with both national and international chain. So, ang the 15 years of experience, so the Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata, under me, I have trained many Tibrasa people also, plus across India and trained Kajak. So in my training or in the other whenever I see my people, I want to promote them in the field of hotel. But what I feel is that none of us are promoting hotel industry, or we just know as hotels is we know that as a chef, songnai, service finishing. We don't know that abon is hakabo kabangma hotel industry obo. Kabangma step wise the hierarchy tomu the hierarchy was the tawang sini 5-star hotel of Sanathanganke. We come from GM, general manager ke pura hotel ni. So in that way, the first starting training goes without training or without any hotel of habna ni kam khanya thangake, you will be kaisa chikon te duko entry level of kam makhane. But whereas why training academy? The training academy here is like 3-month or 6-month course I'm going to provide here, and I have applied for Hotel and Restaurant Association of India for an accreditation to give a certification on training academy. Since I am a certified trainer since 15 years, so I have applied for an accreditation to Hotel and Restaurant Association. Plus, I will apply for government of Tripura also for a certification, so that and already training me for that they are certified and then they are qualified to go ahead in the next position whenever they join.
Mereka hambai, jotono Paimandar Federal Chunaro ini namsani okraro, teibu all restaurant total ni nale support borong support the borong. Jotono aro Paimandar Federal Paipay hamzar naroi, ini opening ceremony, ini restaurant total. Bây giờ tôi là restaurant club rồi, tôi là borong cái này sẽ có thể borong mà như restaurant club mình totally different type. Anh kia để con nhớ sừng có một restaurant đó mới vừa, rồi tôi là experience rồi, mà này hay là club này mà cái đó mới. Bộ phạt ở hát theo em bảo video số thang ấy, do khai tổng là như thế, bộ khai mà nó con này, rồi tôi experience tổng vừa. restaurant hotel ni food barberes bani pelo bani itu knowledge dong. Apan botani bagai orang jaga kulok pakai. Masih kaisa different. Jadi di perasa ni bisingo haike seng asalnya ni nanggur, senanya ni nanggur. Tani ke orang di bot training center of sama ni 3 months 6 months. Sering kaike job ni bisingo one of the best in hotel management. Tani ke sengrungnya pasti kata hasil tang kaike sana ni nunga ni konga ni pun 3 months 15,000 isini. Ni 30,000 hairo experience kita semua. Ya baru ni je sama khusus standard hairo sakit kane lo. Gitu ni bodoh panibanui sama kane hari komolonggo je restoran kolok kane. Sini do panibanui bleke bicara hamnai angasa klayu. Bani je step nama ni sukses mantu. Tapi sini di perasaan ni backup konai lo je serung ni musuh ngai rok borok haine borom ganan sector development ni coba haine salo kawan mana set malang ten hai hane yang asa klayu tegu bani inspiration nama we begitu tu na serung bayang ten song business ni disingke sini di pasar do pano tegu suk sarona ni bagai hai kasa step nama ni beleke lama ya perikah ham kau kawan saya jatuh hambai kurang baik.